Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important child pug classification. Child pug score. Where do you see child pug score is mainly for cirrhosis. Okay, what are the components of child pug score? Components include bilirubin, albumin, ascites, asterixis, and INR. Okay, so if score is more than or equal to 7, then we need liver transplantation. Okay, so these are the important scores. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.